Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bitcoin or BTC hits to your lows. Should you be scared? Bitcoin's price slid another 7% within the past 24 hours to a daily low of $20.18, although the dominant crypto had recovered slightly above $19 at the time of writing. This is the second significant decline in the past week, which brought Bitcoin down by more than 18% or to lows not seen since the end of 2020. The decline came as nearly $400 million worth of Bitcoin long spot orders have been liquidated since early Sunday, September 18, registering significantly high number 2 days in a row, according to data from CoinList. As Bitcoin dominates declined to 39%, the lowest level since the middle of 2018. The panic quickly spread across the broader digital asset market. The total value of the crypto market dropped to $903 below as the major coins including Ethereum, Ripple, and Cardano or ADA record losses in the double digits. According to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the market returned to extreme fear territory, dropping by 6 points in a single day. Fed rate hikes fears catalyzed crypto crash. Bitcoin drops and coincided with the broader decline in stock markets, which also fell early on Monday as investors await another major interest rate hike announcement from the United States Federal Reserve on Wednesday, September 21. The market fear that the upcoming interest rate hike will be one for the history books as the biggest in the past 40 years. Financial experts forecast that the U.S. Central Bank might hike interest rates by 75 percentage points to 3% or even hike them by an unprecedented 1 full percentage point to 3% to cool off the 8% inflation. Investors also fear the news from the Bank of England, which is expected to announce its interest rate hike by 75 percentage points this Thursday, September 2020. In addition to that, other central banks across the world are also on their way to increasing interest rates, although the move is said to be made as stopping the historically high inflation levels. It is consequently bringing volatility to financial markets. Bearish sentiment dominates, centrally to the popular expectation of being a safe haven asset. Bitcoin is moving in positive correlations or in tandem with the stock market prices. This means that the dominant crypto remains highly reactive to stock market movements and the macroeconomic environment, like global recession fears and tightening monetary policy. When looking at Bitcoin options are investment contracts that give the right to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. Sellers are dominating the BTC option market for the end of September. On the other hand, September historically has been considered a bearish month for Bitcoin prices. In addition to that, the crypto space is widely discussing Goldman Sachs economists warning that Bitcoin could potentially fall to new lows of $20 if the U.S. Central Bank hikes the interest rates harshly. On the flip side, the total number of Bitcoin held on all crypto exchanges has reached the lowest levels in history, according to data from market analysis CryptoQuant. According to them, there were slightly more than 2 million Bitcoin in circulation today. The number of Bitcoins held by long-term holders hit a new all-time high of 13 million Bitcoin last week, showing the willingness of investors to keep BTC despite severe volatility. Whilst remain interested, financial giant Fidelity Investment is considering allowing 34 million retail investors to buy Bitcoin via its platform. The world's largest asset managers, BlackRock, is launching a spot Bitcoin private trust, an investment vehicle focused on institutional clients in the U.S. Why you should care? The macroeconomic environment remains uncertain and might trigger higher short-term volatility across crypto markets. Wall Street slipped on rate hike jitters. Wall Street main index slipped in copy trading on Monday, extending these lines for a third straight session. On worries, these lines for a third straight session. On worries that the Federal Reserve aggressive interest rate hikes could tip the U.S. economy into recession. 5 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors were lower. Healthcare stock fell 1%, weighed down by a 9% fall in shares of Moderna and similar declines in those of other fashion makers a day after President Joe Biden said in CBS interview that the pandemic is over. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.